It's so hot now, I'm starting to die a bit. We just done Splash Mountain, haven't we? We met Rapunzel and Tiana. And now we're just hanging about because Anastasia and Gisela are meant to be out around here somewhere. And I need to see them because I've been hunting them down for years in Paris. Can't drink it though, can I? Does it work? It's alright, it's not too bad. Okay guys, it happened. Finally got to meet two of my favourite Disney characters and it was amazing. I think it was the most easiest interaction I've had with a characters because they just do all the talking and you just stand there agreeing with them like yeah, that's cool. So it was really fun. Friends, quick vlog update. I'm sorry if I look really hot and sweaty, but it's like the humidity is just off the charts here, really. But and we're sat on the pavement, right now in our parade spot, and this is the view we've got. We decided to try and get one with the castle in, which is cute. We've done Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and we've met Peter Pan since we last spoke and they were great. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is amazing. Amazing. I can see why it's so popular because it's just really good. So yeah, now I just wait for the parade. The parade starts in 25 minutes, I think. Yeah. So excited for this parade because, oh, something in my eye. Yeah, my eye. This parade is one. For years I've really wanted to be a cast member at Disney, whether it's Disney Paris, Disney World, whatever, and I got obsessed with the parades, didn't I? And this is one parade that I've wanted to watch for donkey's years. So this is going to be a really surreal moment and special moment for me. I cannot wait. Did I get my phone out in time to do this music? resort, we finally got round to buying some refillable mugs. Thea, show us. Thea, show us. Okay, then mine's the blue and hers is the purple. And I've also bought myself some cold apples. So here's the little machine, and they've got so many different types. It is crazy. The first time I used one of these was in Paris, and it was in French, and I had no idea what I was doing. So yeah, so the plan is now we're gonna just relax for a bit, and then we're going to go to Disney Springs for a little shop around. Just arrived at Disney Springs, and I'm not really going to vlog much here just because I want to shop basically. If I see anything interesting, I will show you. Balloon right there. It's down there at the moment. Probably because it's been thundering. Oh, I want to drink out of that. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, well, I'm gonna like just turn off now until later, because the battery is low. I do have spare batteries with me, but it's effort to put it in the camera. I'm just filming because it started to lighten, which we said it would start lightning as we got to the Magic Kingdom, and it's actually done that, but it's probably not going to do it again now because I've got the camera out. So we are here again in the Magic Kingdom, the Kingdom of Magic. Time is 8:20. We have, which is what time I said we'd probably get into the Magic Kingdom. We have 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 50 by the time we get there, to go on Big Thunder Mountain, presuming it's working, which we think it is because it was earlier. Go on Big Thunder Mountain, and then, sorry, I'm trying to zigzag my way to all of the people. Bubbles! So yeah, we're going to try and get on Big Thunder Mountain because we still have to use our fast pass for that, which we haven't done yet. And then we're going to try and find then we're going to get a hot dog, presuming it's still open, and then we're going to watch the fireworks, presuming the thunderstorm doesn't cancel it. I think it's just more of a little electrical storm than anything, isn't it? I think we'll be okay for the fireworks. I hope we will, because I want to see them. Sorry if my face is like too short. There's so many people around. Oh look, I want one of those balloons, Thea. Can I fit it in my suitcase? Oh. I want a balloon so bad, but I won't be able to fit it in my suitcase. Unfortunately. Oh, I got it! Okay, so we've decided against going on Big Thunder Mountain because the lightning's getting a bit more intense, isn't it? But yeah, so we're going to try and get some food at Casey's now and find a seat, but I don't know if this lightning is going to hold up, you know. I don't know if we're going to get to watch the fireworks at this point. Could be wrong. We'll see. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see us, but it's still lightning like crazy. But it's still going ahead apparently, isn't it? We haven't heard anything. I'm eating a pretzel, trying to get slow-mos of lightning on my phone. But yeah. Let's show you some of the lightning. It'll probably stop again now. But let's try and show you. But the castle inside, oh, it's not in focus. Has the humidity got to it again? Oh no, there we go. That's better. This right. You do get lightning like this at home. don't care. She's been moaning at me because all I've been doing is stopping and taking videos and pictures of the lightning. And you're getting a bit annoyed with it, aren't you? But she's the one dropping cocoa down her.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic.
How's that people at Owen in the lightning?
Every step we take.
after, and it was actually really good, except someone decided to put their son up right in front of me when I'm trying to film it. We're walking so fast right now because we're going to attempt to get on Big Thunder Mountain before the park closes in like 20 minutes. The only issue is it's lightning, so still. We've got a fast pass. Yeah, because we still got to use our Big Thunder Mountain fast pass from earlier when the ride broke down. There seems to be a lot of people doing the same thing, unfortunately. So hopefully we can get on there. And then get on there and out before there's a stalk in that tree.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, hopefully we can get on it and then back to the castle to see the Kiss Goodnight, because I really want to see that. So wish us luck. Guys, we're on. We've fast passed it and we're through, and we're finally getting to go on Big Thunder Mountain, the wildest ride in the wilderness. Also in a thunderstorm, which is something I never thought I'd say. I've been a roller coaster that goes quite high in the sky in a lightning storm.
It's called Big Thunder Mountain.
Yeah, it is called Big Thunder Mountain. Well done, Thea. I didn't think of that pun. I used to be really scared of thunder, but I don't mind lightning, or, well, thunder and lightning I used to hate, but I don't mind it anymore. So this is going to be an experience to tell the grandchildren. I really don't know if you can see me. I do have a flash on this camera, I just don't know how to use it, because I'm stupid. Thea, can you see me? A little bit. I'm here.
15 minutes. It's Big Thunder Mountain. Let's get on that one.
Thea sleep deprived, bless her heart. Me too. We're gonna head now back in the car. Oh yeah, we did Big Thunder Mountain. I didn't talk about that. Wildest ride in the world. I literally yelled that the whole way around the track. I'm pretty sure the people behind me wanted to push me off the ride.
Why don't you just shut up about free?
Thea wanted to push me off the ride. I love Big Thunder Mountain so much, like seriously. And that one, Florida's, I'll say this now, a million times better than France. Sorry, Paris, I know you're home, but it was so much better. If you can't see me, I'll just put a picture of a dog or something with a voiceover. Look how beautiful the castle is, guys. That's my home. It's pretty. So yeah, now we're gonna head back to the castle and just roam around there, I think, until the Kiss Goodnight, and then back to the hotel and to the Caribbean beach resort. And you probably see me again now. Hi.
Right?
I don't know what we're doing about food because we still haven't eaten. I had a pretzel actually, but that's it. And it's still literally lightning like mad. We talked about pizza, didn't we?
Yeah.
Whether we actually do it, I don't know. Are you hungry? I think she needs to eat because she hasn't even eaten anything, whereas I've had a pretzel. So you need to eat really, don't you?
I had a sugar cookie.
She had a sugar cookie. So let's see what happens. We've made a detour to the Tangled toilets because we want a picture with the lantern, but there's a massive queue. So I think that might be something we have to do another time. Which is a shame, because look how cute it is. Lantern. Yeah. The queue's too long and... oh crap. The queue's way too long and the park shuts in like 10 minutes. So I don't want to stand there just to be told you can't have your picture taken. Has it been raining? That is really weird.
No, it's dry again.
No, I don't think it's been raining. So it's a massive puddle. And I was like, has it been raining? I don't think it's been raining.
You've done that again, 5 minutes.
Mate, I'm not going on any more rides now tonight. We managed to fit in Big Thunder Mountain, which is what we wanted to fit in, because that's what we've been moaning about most of the day. And we did it at night, which is our favourite thing ever. Guys, I wish there was smell-o-vision, because Disney World just smells amazing. Is it just me?
You can actually buy candles that smell of it.
Really? Where from?
No, one of the YouTubers I watched.
Guys, I'm so sorry. I made a rookie error. No, I didn't make a rookie error. I'm great at vlogging. There's no errors to make. Okay, so as you know, we went back to Magic Kingdom. We're now back at the hotel, and you've seen some of the fireworks happily ever after. However, there was another show later at 10 o'clock, which I thought was just the kiss goodbye, but it wasn't. It was another show, and I had no memory left on my memory card. So, and basically I forgot to bring my other memory cards with me to the Magic Kingdom for the evening, because I thought I'd had plenty of space. I wasn't going to film too much, but I filmed so much because obviously it started lightning, and I'm pretty sure my memory card is just for the shots, me trying to get lightning shots by the castle. And a 20-minute one of the fireworks, because I filmed a lot, so I'm really so sorry that I couldn't film any of Once Upon a Time, which was so cute. I nearly cried, and the kiss goodnight. I'm sleep deprived. I really am. I didn't get much sleep last night. I kept waking up like every hour, so I'm really sleep deprived. So you're probably like, why are you recording this? Go to sleep. I need a shower. And my sister's in there, so I'm talking to you. I actually have a lot to clean up, so I'm going to get cleaning up, and then hopefully by the time I finish that, she will be out. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.